Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Osama and today I am here talking about the description and 4 P's of Tapal. Tapal is a major tea brand of Pakistan based in Karachi. It was founded by Adam in 1947 and he formulated a unique brand name which is a Tapal family mixture, which become the most selling brand, which make the brand most selling brand in Pakistan. Further, the Aftab Ali became the CEO in 1970. He was a student. He was a student of a foreign university, and he introduced various techniques and idea of tea, changed the management system of Tapal. Further, we talk about the 4 P's of Tapal. The core product of Tapal is beverage tea beverage, and the current product mix are Tapal Danedar and Safari Kenya Leaf and Family Blend etc. The pricing strategy of Tapal is very cost oriented, and the Tapal is taking it comparatively low price to their competitors. And further, we talk about the promotion. Mostly Tapal to promote their product. Tapal mostly use a TV ad for promote their product, and also you use ATL and BTL for promotion, and spend 10% of our promotion budget on printing media such as newspaper and magazine. Further, you talk about distribution placement.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Arun Khimani and I'll be talking about segmentation, target market and positioning of Tapal Tea. So when we talk about segmentation of Tapal Tea, we have to consider that it has established 11 different products that caters different needs and wants of the customers according to their tastes. And when we talk about age, gender and other types of segmentation, it caters both genders, no matter living in urban or rural areas, from the age bracket of 18 to 60 years and maybe above. It depends on the taste of the individual. And when we talk about target market, it has specifically done its homework when it comes to target market, because it as I said, it already knows what it has to do, and what are those people that they have to target specifically. It includes the people from age bracket of 18 to 60 years, and all those who take tea as a part of their lifestyle and as a part of their meal. So all those people are targeted in this. When we talk about positioning of Tapal Tea, that is where it outclasses its competitors and has done some great work. We see Tapal ads at TV every day because it has done so much promotions by casting superstars of Pakistan in it and promoting family values and togetherness. That is what distinguishes it from its competitors. It was also the part of HBL PSL this year that proved to be a great marketing strategy for itself, and it proved that Tapal Tea has positioned themselves as the leading tea brand of Pakistan.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Sayyid Ali Tariq and I am here to present our presentation on Tapal Danedar. We choose a product Tapal Danedar which is very commonly used in Pakistan, and everyone drinks tea at their home whatever the time is. So my part in this presentation was consumer decision making and its stages and its stimuli, sensory and receptors. Basically, consumer, if I want to buy something, if I want to make and I find a product very attractive to me, so I will make a research on it. First I will go on a need of it. First, what's needed it. If I had a need of drinking tea and these things. Okay, now the second part was sensory stimuli and receptors. Basically, sensory means the consumers who attract towards the product by slogans, surveys, posters, advertisements, etc. Tapal created a lot of advertisement. First, they had advertisement which is in the report like "Tum, Main aur ek cup chai," which is in husband and wife standing together having a cup of tea, which means they are showing that if you are tired for a whole day and if you have a very exhausted, so if you have a one good cup of tea which is full of for a whole day, and if you have a very exhausted, so if you have a one good cup of tea which is full of flavor, so that's mean it will give you more enhancing and it will be give you more relax and feel good.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Junaid Azam and I'm going to be discussing about the learning theories, culture and influence on brand image and current marketing strategies of Tapal. So Tapal uses cognitive learning theories, and in cognitive learning theory they focus on social behavior, one of the component of social behavior theory called observational learning, by using different models, celebrities in their ads, and they constantly remind us about the premium quality of Tapal tea. As people really admire them, they end up buying the product. If we talk about the cultural influence on brand image and decision making, Pakistan's culture is about collectiveness and living together. Tapal also portrays togetherness and family orientation in their advertisement, like families sitting together drinking tea, which is, so we can say that the culture has huge influence in case of Tapal tea. If we talk about the current marketing strategies, Tapal uses different advertising channels like TVC, radio, billboard, print media for their brand, and they also nowadays they are focusing on women empowerment. In their new TVC, they showed that the woman or the wife came home late from work and husband makes her tea, which shows that both husband and wife should work together as a team, which creates positive image for the brand. If we talk about the pricing strategy, Tapal tea is still expensive for the people living in rural areas. So to capture that market, Tapal tea came up with a new brand called Mezban Dusk Premium, so that it can be affordable for the rural people. If we talk about the distribution channel, it has extensive distribution channel. They have 5 warehouses all over Pakistan. From there, they send their product to the wholesalers, and the wholesalers send that to the retailers. From there, they are being sold to the final consumer. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mudassir Hassan, and my part is about pricing strategies and distribution strategies, and about the ad. So first of all, I talk about pricing strategies of Tapal, so they focus on value-based pricing strategy. Tapal tea has higher retail markup than Lipton tea. Due to that, retailers are interested more in selling Tapal tea instead of any other brand. And also, they focus on higher upper class and middle class. So they should work on focusing on lower class too, so that they can maximize their profit. They should launch a product with lower prices so that easily everyone can afford in rural areas also. So moving on to the distribution strategies, the distribution objective of Tapal is to maximize its market coverage. They have around 410 networks of distribution all over the Pakistan, but the issue is in the wholesale markets, and every day the manager has to deal with them, so they have to focus on improving their distribution strategies. So moving on, the next part is about the ad campaign. The ad we shared in our report is all about the points, the sensory stimuli, psychographics, cultural aspects, motivation and appeal. So the ad is covering all the aspects. As you can see in our tagline, it is about culture, and it is depicting our culture. Also, uh, it is showing about family value, which our culture focus more about. So thank you, from that's it from my side.